Good luck if we even get this one recorded. It's gonna be like the 13th time. Is it even recording? I can't even tell. It'll be like the 13th time I try to record something and it's just gonna not record it. I've already gone out twice today. It gets a little annoying when you gotta record things 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 times. You start losing the interest for it. You're like, I don't want to do this anymore. We're gonna go back out. We are. Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of 60 Formula. This is my 14 millionth time recording this video today because my GoPro has decided it doesn't like to work anymore. So I gotta tell you, it has been a really tough morning. Sorry to be down, guys. When you record a YouTube video that many times, you start to get disheartened because you do it once, you're like, okay, it messed up, no biggie, do it again, okay, messed up again, no big deal. You do it a third time, which I'm doing right now, and you go, okay, I'm not happy. Ooh, I don't know what's going on here, but doesn't look good. It's especially disheartening when you do cool things like go 75 miles per hour and all that good stuff, and now I don't get to show you guys that stuff because it's gone forever. I hate that junk. It's junk. I've been reading up on it. People are saying it's the SD card. They're like, dude, get a new SD card. But GoPro's telling me, hey, that SD card is compatible, so we're not really sure what the deal is. And it takes all of my strength, all of what makes me a man, to not completely smash that GoPro into 1,000 bits with a hammer when I find out that all of my 30 minutes of footage has disappeared into the abyss of nowhere forever. I'm just like, rage quit. All right, let's freaking fly for a second. Oh well, I guess that's life. So now we're on take 3, baby. You go around you, buddy. Gonna go around ya. Sorry, Joe. So there's a thrift store right around the corner here. We're gonna go to see if they got any good goods. Sometimes they do. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Yeah. Oh boy, I hope this is recording. If this isn't recording and this is my 3rd time doing this and there's nothing, I'm gonna cry. I'm not kidding. I'm gonna cry. It'll be crying. You'll see crying happen. All right, let's go ahead and park right over here. Oh, it says no parking. Come on, shiznickel. Where am I supposed to do it then? There might be parking back here. They're like, no parking here. Dude, I have a motorcycle. What do you want? Oh, there's parking back here. I see. Tallahassee. Let's go see what they got in here. If they don't have anything, that's fine. At least you guys got to come on a ride with me today. Nothing. So let me explain to you guys exactly what's going on. So basically, I had to buy a GoPro that is an older model, because the newer models come with a connector thing. The way it charges, that thing doesn't come with an adapter. The new GoPro, the GoPro 6 and all the new ones they make, even the regular new GoPro, they have them made with a new charging port, basically. And that charging port does not support a microphone. So you actually have to buy an older GoPro in order to have a microphone support your GoPro. Thus, I bought the old GoPro model. and I was able to have this microphone sit inside of this helmet, but now I'm stuck with a shardy GoPro. The only good thing about it is that it lets me record some videos for you guys. It records 50% of the time. 50 percentile. That's what I'm getting out of it. I'm gonna get behind you, bro. So anyways, tomorrow is the day that I go to Disney. It's the day I drop the pups off. Really ready to start the vacation. Not ready to leave the pups. You guys know I'm all about being sad when I leave the doggies, but I'm ready to go on the Disney vacation. I'm ready to record it for you. I'm ready to get some awesome relaxation. A couple of the days that I'm going to be on this resort, I'm going to be just literally chilling. I have 4 days that I can go to Disney out of the 6 that I'm there. Ooh, nice. He beat me. He beat me to it. It is too hot out here, guys. Whew. And that's another thing. I mentioned it in the last video I made, but you obviously didn't get that video. I'm not wearing any sleeves. I'm not wearing a jacket. And it's honestly because people are like, dude, you gotta be safe. Safety over everything else. Except when it's 1,000,000 degrees outside. What's more important to you? Your skin or your skin? Because honestly, I feel like I'm gonna die if I have a jacket on. I get so overheated. I get home, I gotta drink all this water. It's pretty nutty. It just gets too hot during the summer to put on a full jacket. And I want to. Yeah, let's crank it up. 70 miles per hour up in this. You know, I really love wearing the jacket, being safe, teaching the rules, teaching you guys how to ride safe. But sometimes it's too hot and I gotta just do what my mind is telling me, and it says, hey Greg, listen, take a break from the jacket, brother. Always perform the safe stuff. And I know you guys are gonna comment and tell me, no, it's no excuse, but I'm telling you, this is America, baby. All right, we're bringing it home. We're bringing it home. All right, let's go see if this video recorded. If not, then you guys are getting a totally different video today, because I'm not doing a 4th motorcycle video, pal. You're dreaming. Where are the dogs? Show me the dogs. I want some doggy love. Right here, bring it on. Bring on doggy love. Doggy love. Yeah, doggy love. Yeah, doggy love. Bring it on here. That's what's up. Bring it up. Bring it in. Yeah. Doggy love. Doggy love. Mwah. All right, guys. I will see you in the game room in 5 seconds. Wow. What do you got right there? Is that a sock? Is that a sock right there? Is that a sock? What are you doing with a sock, bruh? Anyways, guys, welcome back to my game room. Real quick, we're gonna go over the VHS pickups that I found today. So the cool things that I found today were actually a whole bunch of the Gold Collection series from Disney. First up is going to be Toy Story. These are really hard to come by. I've already told you guys this. If you're familiar with my VHS hunting episodes, the Gold Collection series is one that you should look out for. Up next, I got Toy Story 2, and I just got that because I love Toy Story 2. Oh, also, it has a flippin' t-shirt like decal, so you can print this onto a t-shirt. So cool, this is like brand new, so I went ahead and I picked this up as well. Then I also got a gold version of Hercules and a gold version of Aristocats. Now, the Hercules version is a pretty good one to find, but the Aristocats here is actually the real find, because the Aristocats on the Gold Collection is actually one that's kind of hard to find. So yeah, these are the ones that I found today. Toy Story, Toy Story 2, Hercules, and the Aristocats. 3 of them Gold Collection, 1 of them just a regular one, but I'm excited to add them to the collection. Alright guys, thanks for sticking around. Please like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed. Tomorrow we are going to Disney, so I hope you will stay tuned. I will see you tomorrow with whatever I make. Peace. Whoa.